like that. Oh no, she didn't. Oh yes, I did. Oh no, she didn't. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do another tried it, but this is a special version since this is a birthday makeup to tried it episode. My birthday is gonna be on the 27th, which is on Tuesday. Today is Sunday, and today I'm celebrating it with my family. Just gonna go out to eat. So I wanted to do some makeup, get some makeup on. So if you guys want to see how that happens, well, you all guys already know how the tried it videos go. I picked a topic and clicked the first video, and that's the one I'm gonna do. The girl in the video already has her styles, so I'm gonna do it like this, because I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this hair. But I think this is not a bad hairstyle. I already moisturized my face. I use this moisturizer. This is the Problem Skin Moisturizer African Black Soap by Shea Moisture. So I already used that, and then now we're gonna just do what she does next. Ready? Okay.
I'm gonna jump right in using my Benefit Professional primer all over my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my MAC Strobe cream to bring out that glow, because we all know that I really love that glowy look, so that's what we're going for today. I know MAC can be a little bit on the pricey side, so try L'Oreal's primer. It has a little bit of a glowy tint to it, and it's really cheap. Then we're gonna go and apply foundation.
So next she uses a foundation. So I recently actually got the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I had them try it out for me. So I'm number 290. During the summer I didn't get the foundation, but I just tried out to see what number I was, and I was actually 300. I'm gonna try this on for the first time, mind you. So yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever HD foundation, and the color match on this is like perfect for my skin. So I'm like looking back at older videos, and I noticed that the other Too Faced one kind of looked a little bit pinkish or grayish, like you guys were saying. So this one is by far the best one, hands down. It was like my first foundation. So
it says that how it actually, when it sets, that's the actual color. Right now it's looking a little light. Hopefully it gets a little tiny bit darker. Don't need a lot of it. It seems to, with a little bit, like one pump is enough. So just something you guys might want to keep in mind if you get the Fenty Beauty, if you're interested. I already did her eyebrows, so I'm just gonna do that real quick. Ready? I also, while I was there, I got this Rainforest of the Sea concealer, Tarte High Performance Natural concealer in the size medium sand. The size in the colors medium sand. Okay.
it's a ride or die. Then we can go ahead with concealer, and I'm going to be using my Naked Radiant Concealer for the job today. And I really like this concealer. It's really easy to blend, so I'm just going to be shaping out my nose kind of and slimming it down by applying my concealer on the sides of the nose, and also brightening the center of my face with my concealer as well. Then I'm gonna use the same technique on my forehead and on my chin and a little bit on my nose where I get a little bit of redness. So then I'm gonna go and blend that in with my damp beauty blender. As soon as I'm done blending in my concealer, I like to go ahead with my Laura Mercier setting powder. It's a translucent powder.
I also got this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep Unlock translucent powder.
After I apply this, and it lasts all day long. While that is baking for a couple of minutes, I am going to reach for my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, and that lightest medium shade right there is the one that I use most of the time. And when this runs out, I'm probably just going to get like a stick foundation, because I only really need one shade, and all of those shades are really like going to waste. So I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheek, my forehead, my jaw, and a little bit on the bottom of my lower lip to give that poutiness effect. Then I'm going to blend that all out with my beauty blender. And tip for you, always do your hair after you do your makeup, because I lay my edges already, as you can see, and I'm trying to like maneuver my contour game across to like not mess up, because I really didn't want to go back and fix that later. If I was going out that night, like, it will probably be visible, you know? So just a little tip for you. To set all of that cream contour in place, I'm going in with my trusty Bobbi Brown bronzer in shade Natural, and I'm gonna be using my blush Real Techniques brush for that. That was a tongue twister right there. And I love this bronzer so much. It gives like the perfect amount of bronziness and warmth to the face. 10 out of 10 recommend. Picking up the same bronzer, I'm going to use that to contour my nose, and it really helps having the translucent powder for me personally still like baking and in place, because it kind of acts like a guide for me to know like how close I can blend in and draw the line to slim down my nose and give that illusion. So after I'm done drawing that line, I go with my beauty blender, wipe away all of the excess translucent powder, and then if I see the need, I go back and kind of redefine that line. Something else that I like to redefine when I'm going for a glam look is my contour. So I grab the translucent powder again and draw a line underneath where the contour is, just to make it as sharp and precise as I can, because it looks just really good and neat after you're done blending it all away like I'm doing right now. Like, translucent powder is like the ultimate makeup eraser, but since we are done with the face,
he already has eyelashes on. I'm gonna try to put them on. If you guys want to see the video where I try to put it on, there will be a link for that down below. I tried, y'all. I tried.
Can finally move into the eyes, and I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills and picking up that shade that is circled right there. I'm going to use that as my transition shade, or just like as a crease. I'm not using a lot of colors or eyeshadows on my eyes today because I'm wearing false lashes, extensions, and also just because I kind of wanted to go for more of a natural and sultry, sexy birthday makeup look. So I'm just picking up minimum colors and making this really easy. And then I realized that for this look to be glam, I needed a pop of color, I needed a glitter somewhere, so I picked up this gold shade from the Modern Renaissance palette and I put it right on my tear ducts, and I love how it turned out. And then with the first shade that I picked up, I'm going to put that all over the bottom lash line. And then for mascara, I'm only applying it to my bottom lashes because I have extensions on the top ones, and I'm using my favorite L'Oreal mascara for that job. The last finishing steps is of course highlighter. I'm picking up my favorite from the Glow Kit from Anastasia. I use a lot of Anastasia products in this video, not sponsored, but wow, I just realized this now. So I use Dripping in Gold and the other really vibrant gold color to highlight my face, and I'm just putting it on the peaks of my face, my nose, you guys know the drill. And then after spraying my face and setting all of that cream and powder together, I like to go in with the butt of my beauty blender and just kind of like really set it, just so the glow really comes from within and it's not just like clearly sitting on your face. And the last step is of course lips. I'm using the Kylie Jenner Literally Gloss.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I don't really know what to think about it, to be honest. I think it looks okay. It's a little much for me, of course, you know. I don't know how I'm gonna leave the house like this, but I'm gonna leave the house like this because I'm just bold like that. I feel like if I knew how to put my eyelashes on better, it probably would have looked out a bit better, but I don't think it looks too bad, which is why I'm daring to get out the house this way. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below if you guys want to see any other videos. Give me ideas. And share with your friends. Okay, guys. See you later. Bye.